I'm here once again at Prairie Playland, Traders Village, Grand Prairie, Texas. The world's largest flea market. With a really nice ride section. Last week, it's been a whole week since I've been here. Last week, the lift hill track was completely laid out. In a week, they have completed installing the vertical support vents on the very end, and they've installed half of the 180-degree turn that will lead to the first drop, as you can see. This is the former Canobie Screamer roller coaster from Canobie Amusement Park in Ontario, California. Traders Village purchased it and appears to have completely refurbished the whole ride, painted it a beautiful white with green track. Again, I will link Canobie Coaster's wonderful video on what an awesome ride this was in California, and it's going to be an awesome ride here at Traders Village. Ejector airtime, very tight hairpin turns, as you can see. What strikes me also is how huge this ride appears. They've got it sitting up top of these spooters that are about 3 feet tall, most of them. So it's making the ride really pop out and look giant. It looks really good how huge it looks. Anyway, last week the approach track to the lift hill was not yet connected. You can see it now is. There's the gear to the bottom of the chain lift. And if you are making coaster trips to Texas this year, Six Flags Over Texas, we're only 5 minutes away. If you're going to SeaWorld, Fiesta Texas, ZDT's, Kima Boardwalk, which I would highly recommend because the Boardwalk Bullet is the #1 wood roller coaster in the world, do not miss out on coming to Traders Village this spring and summer. This ride is going to kick ass. All right, that's it. Bye.